Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to soften the edges of your clips, right? So we're going to be utilizing the cropping features here. First, we want to go up to the media pool, click on that, and now we have access to all our clips. We're going to click and drag the clip we want to soften the edges of into the timeline. And now we're going to go to the inspector at the top right corner. Make sure that our player head is on that clip and highlighted. And then we're going to scroll down to find cropping. So there we go, we turn on cropping. And what we can do now is you can see softness, right? If we increase the softness right here, that's what happens, right? And it's even cool, we can add like a keyframe to the beginning of it, right? So here, let's actually move the player head over here, delete that keyframe, soften the edges all the way, add a keyframe, move the player head over to here, and then decrease the softness, and then the keyframe will be added. So let's check that out. Cool. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you add softness to your edges on DaVinci Resolve 19. Thanks for watching and have a great day.